Episode 337, Why Forces Exist, the Unification Problem Reframed. Why forces are regulation mechanisms, not fundamental entities. Physics treats forces as things: gravity, electromagnetic, strong, weak. But no one explains why forces exist at all. The unification problem. Modern physics wants one equation, one force, one framework. But forces refuse to unify cleanly. That's not a failure of math. It's a misunderstanding of function. The core misconception: forces are not substances. They are not particles. They are not fields floating in space. Forces are regulatory mechanisms. What a force actually is: a force is how a system constrains motion, preserves structure, maintains stability, regulates interaction. Forces exist because information must stay coherent. Why multiple forces exist? Different scales require different regulation. What stabilizes atoms cannot stabilize galaxies. So regulation differentiates, not because reality is fragmented, but because it is efficient. Gravity reframed. Gravity is not attraction, it is large-scale coherence regulation. It keeps massive informational structures from decohering. Electromagnetism reframed. Electromagnetism regulates charge balance, atomic structure, chemical bonding. It governs mid-scale coherence. Strong and weak forces reframed. The strong force stabilizes high-density informational packets, nuclei. The weak force governs transformation and decay, controlled release of structure. Why unification fails? Forces don't unify because they do not do the same job. Trying to merge them is like merging traffic laws, building codes, and biological regulation into one rule. The real unification layer, what does unify, is the principle of regulation. Different forces are different expressions of the same need: maintaining coherence across scale. Forces and symmetry. Symmetries are not aesthetic, they encode stability rules. Forces emerge where symmetry must be preserved. Why new forces keep appearing? When models break, physicists add forces because they sense missing regulation, even if they mislabel it. Key insight: forces are not causes, they are constraints. Practical clarity: when forces behave unexpectedly, the system is adjusting regulation, not violating laws. Reality doesn't push things around arbitrarily, it regulates itself. Next, we will explore the hierarchy problem. Why gravity is so weak compared to other forces. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more aligned content. And if you are new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there, step by step. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs, and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.